buttons.
What? Okay. So let's start now.
Yeah.
I just stop doing that. So hello everyone. Today me and Anika are going to show you. Oops, I forgot all of that. Hello everybody. Welcome.
Hi.
Hello everybody. Welcome back to our channel, and we are going to be making Oobleck today. So we already made a bunch of Oobleck right here.
Water.
No, that's Oobleck.
Oh yeah, it is. But it kind of looks like milk.
What? So we have our Oobleck right here.
Here. So if you touch it slowly like this, you get some Oobleck on your hand. See?
Yeah.
And if you punch it.
Yeah, like this.
See, my hand is all dried up now.
Yeah, mine too. Okay, stop punching your hand. It's going to hurt your hand. So the ingredients we need for Oobleck are
Water.
yeah, water.
And a little bowl.
Yeah, a bowl right here.
And some corn flour.
Corn flour right here. A spoon.
Spoon?
Yeah, a spoon that was in the corn flour.
Oh no!
Yeah, the spoon right here. Spoon. So what you need to do is first you're gonna need to take
A bowl?
your bowl.
That isn't mine.
Yeah, you need to take your bowl and add some corn flour.
Flour? It's a
Corn
flour.
flour. Oops. Okay. Oops.
Oops, what?
I'll just add all of this corn flour.
Oh no. Now we have to wish more.
No, we don't need more.
Okay.
Enough.
Okay.
We'll just make lots of Oobleck with this because it's fun to play with.
Sounds so funny.
And then we'll add some water
Water.
to it.
You can see my shadow there.
Okay?
Oh no, what's that?
It's nothing.
Mix it. This may be thick.
Yeah, this corn flour is thick, so it'll need some time. Let me just speed this up. So I made Oobleck again.
Me too.
That's an old Oobleck. So as you can see again, oops, my hand. Gotta clean this up.
Oh no. I'm seeing
Okay,
more of the
see I can clean this up easily.
I'm just gonna clean my hand up easily.
So now you can see.
It doesn't look like Oobleck.
Okay. You can see now.
I'm gonna have to clean up.
If you punch it, it's turning into solid. But if you move it, see, punch, then there is nothing on my hand.
Okay, I'm
If you move it like this, then you'll have some liquid on your hand. Alright, bye everybody. Hope you learned something. Yeah, Oobleck is a substance. When you punch it, it'll become solid. And when you touch it slowly, it'll become liquid. So hope you learned something. And bye.